Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Hadien ke Jingïalang bat barok ki Seng Sainpyrthei ke badan hakani ke jela. Menteri rang ba ke jela u konrat ki sang ma ula ong. Ba ka Sorkar kan Khot sai ki Kynhun Bapher banyak kren halor ka roster system. Menteri rang ba ula ong ba ansa Khot eki Hadien shitayo lada amdei haju ru ula ong ban Khot eki lakajong.
So in the next 1 week, we are meeting different civil society, different stakeholders at different levels. We are also calling a joint meeting of all the stakeholders on the 30th or 31st. But before that, as I said, these different stakeholders who will be called jointly will also be called separately, or rather whenever they feel like they want to get some more clarification. We have asked one of our officials to make time and ensure that all the necessary explanations to different stakeholders can be given. Of course, not anybody and everybody, but organizations that are concerned about this and different stakeholders. So we will try and clear the concerns that they have.